You are going to love
the 2013 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, keyless entry, satellite radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.